Every afternoon this week on the Willis Report, Gerri Willis has a user's guide to your taxes. Now today, she's going to be looking at tax fraud. 2 months ago, there was a surge of fraudulent state tax filings, and Gerri is here now with more on the latest on the refund fraud situation, right?
Right. That's what we're talking about here, Adam. Hi. Good morning. Good to see you. It's a tax refund fraud. This is where the bad guys come in and they steal your refund before you can even get it. It's happening all over the country. The incidence is high. The IRS has already paid out $5.2 billion in fake refunds to people who shouldn't get them. This is ridiculous. So these tax scams also stealing the IDs of taxpayers, some 1.6 million in 2013. That's times 6 from 3 years prior. Think about that. So what's happening now is the CEOs of Intuit and H&R Block got together with the IRS commissioner. They're talking about ways to solve this problem. And the first step that they're likely going to take is verifying those taxpayer IDs, making sure that the people who say they're filing that tax form are actually the people who are doing it. Probably going to be a lot more to come, but not until next year, so you got to be super careful this year. Adam?
All right, Gerri Willis, thank you very much. What other scams should we look for, though? Because a user's guide to taxes this week on the Willis Report, weekdays at 5 p.m. Eastern time, right?
That's right. We'll tell you about phone scams, phishing scams, and one word of advice to you this morning if you're concerned about this. The IRS is not going to call you on the phone. They're not sending you email. You'll get a letter from them, but none of the other stuff is going to happen. So if you're worried about falling for one of these scams, make sure they're contacting you in the right way.
I'm silent because that number 6 times greater than it was in 2010 is frightening. And in 3 years, and it's just going to get worse, it seems like. All right, Gerri Willis, thank you. See you at 5 p.m. Willis Report.